Setting up your smart lock only takes 3 steps. 1. Installing the smart lock onto the door. 2. Pairing and basic settings. 3. Personalizing your smart lock. In this video, we'll look at the first step together, installing the smart lock onto the door. You can find links to the next steps at the end of this video. You can easily install your Nuki smart lock in 3 minutes. No drilling or screwing necessary. And everything you need for the installation is included in the packaging of your smart lock. As a first step, you attach a mounting plate onto the inside of the door. The smart lock is then put on the mounting plate. You have 2 options for attaching the mounting plate: gently screwing the mounting plate onto the cylinder or gluing it to the stop plate with special adhesive tape. Each option comes with a separate mounting plate. Which of the 2 options is right for you depends on the technical properties of your door. So let's find out together which option is perfect for you. Let's start at the beginning, with the cylinder on the inside of your door. If you use a knob on the inside of your door to lock it, you need an adapter in order for the smart lock to be able to properly lock your door. We have developed adapters for the knob cylinders of various manufacturers, which you can order free of charge in our web shop. To mount the smart lock on the inside of your door, first remove the knob of your cylinder in accordance with the original manufacturer's instructions. Next, put on the mounting plate as described in the following steps. Basically, the mounting method for your smart lock depends on how far the cylinder of your door lock protrudes. If your cylinder protrudes more than 3 mm from the stop plate, mount the screw fix plate, mounting plate A. To do so, place the mounting plate on the inside of the door over your door lock. Then carefully tighten the 3 screws with the enclosed Allen key, without applying too much force so as not to damage the lock cylinder. If your locking cylinder protrudes less than 3 mm, mount the adhesive plate, mounting plate B. First, clean the fitting around the lock cylinder on the inside of your door with an alcohol-based solution. When the surface is completely dry again, put on the mounting plate B. Remove the protective film from the plate and stick it to the door. Make sure to place it straight, with a curve at the top. If the contact area between your locking cylinder and the mounting plate is small, please allow the adhesive to harden for a few hours before mounting the smart lock onto the plate. When your mounting plate is securely installed, your smart lock is ready to be mounted. First, insert your key into the lock and make sure your door is unlocked. This will make it easier to calibrate the smart lock during the setup afterwards. If you have a knob cylinder on the inside, put the adapter on the cylinder pin instead of the key now and fix it. Also, remove the battery compartment or power pack of your smart lock by operating the slider on the bottom of the device. Now, you can mount your smart lock. Align the elongated slot on the back of the smart lock to fit the key head in by turning the ring on the front of your smart lock. Now, insert the key head into the slot. Then, gently press the smart lock against the mounting plate. You should hear it click into place. Now reinsert the battery compartment or power pack on the bottom of your smart lock, and your smart door lock is ready for further setup. For this, you also need the free Nuki app. Download it right now.